complicated and expensive binding solutions are a thing of the past. Introducing the UniBinder 8.2 with crimping tool. Binding solutions for office and professionals. With the UniBinder 8.2 and assorted unicovers, you can easily bind up to 340 sheets and crimp up to 120 sheets with 3 spines to choose from. Extremely economical and always ready to deliver a super strong, permanent bond in 3 easy steps. It heats up the document to let the pages melt in the resin. It crimps to push the sheets in the melted resin and match the spine to the document. It lets it cool. Just heat, crimp, cool, and you're done. Enjoy years of user-friendly, safe, and maintenance-free operation with the UniBinder 8.2. Reliable, fast, and professional results. That's the UniBinder 8.2.